Okay, so I'm in Windows Terminal here. I'm getting ready to run drawterm to connect to Plan 9, where I'm going to run legmacs, which is the Emacs-like editor. So I'm going to submit that, give it a couple of seconds to come up. Okay, so now we're in legmacs. Now, if I'm in the scratch buffer here, what I can do is, let's say we want to look at the root directory. And so in Acme, if you right click on a path, it'll open that up in a window. So similar here in legmacs, I've got an extension loaded whereby the function key F8 is kind of like the right mouse button. F7 will be like the middle mouse button. So let's do F8 on slash. All right, comes up with the root directory on plan 9. So now we can go to, like, let's say, user, we can go to Glenda. Each step here, I'm hitting F8 to open that. We can go to source directory. Let's look at the source code for legmacs. It's a bunch of closure files. So we can go to, let's say here, and we'll just look at this file for buffer. Now on buffer, it's a file. So if I hit F8, it just opens it. And there we go. Now we're looking at that. Okay, so now let's say I go back to scratch buffer. And what about running commands? Well, let's say I can do something like ls-l slash, let's say, and I'll come back here and I'll select that text. And now, like in Acme, if you do middle mouse button, that runs that command. So similar thing here, I've selected this text, so I'm going to do F7, that's kind of the equivalent of the middle mouse button, and it runs it in a buffer, and we see the output there. I'm going to come back to the scratch buffer. Maybe let's try to do something like who date. We'll do a who date and then maybe lc on the root directory. So I'll select that text and then hit F7, and similar deal there. Just ran a command. We see the output in this buffer. Okay, maybe let's see. Go back to scratch. Let's see. We can do. Let's do one more. Let's just run the processes. We'll select the text, hit F7, and there we go. There's the running processes on the Plan 9 instance. So yeah, I just wanted to demo this little quick experiment of this sort of like Acme-like behavior in legmacs. This is not part of the official legmacs distribution. This is an extension, so just something I'm messing around with right now. Okay, thanks for watching.